What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you exclusive MTV crib tour. Just kidding. I'm giving you an all-access tour of my stock room, so come on in. Our first stop is the 100 million keys that is hanging on the door. I have 23 machines total and most of them came with spare keys, so this is where I am keeping them for now. I do plan on moving them soon. Right next to the keys is my recycle bin. Do your part and recycle. Let's make this earth a greener, cleaner place together. My neighborhood doesn't have a recycle program, so I use a separate service to pick up my recycle once a week. Moving right along to my tower of chips. It is way easier to cut a small square into them so I'm not pulling them down all the time. And yes, my handwriting sucks. Underneath the chips are all of the chocolates. You can kind of see at the end of the shelf are all my dry erase markers, which you'll see in a bit. Tape, sticky notepad, my planner, my roll of recycle bags, and yeah. Can you believe I am not a chocolate person? Let me know in the comments what your favorite chocolate is. The next shelf is my cracker shelf, I guess you could call it. The bottom shelf has my extras and drinks I don't go through as fast. Moving into the next section is more chips. Right below that are more drinks. My Christmas hat. You are no fun if you don't show up with a Christmas hat to restock. Y'all, I was pronouncing this drink Izzle. It's Izzy. I don't know why I was adding the L. I just wanted it to be a Snoop Dogg word, I guess. These are really good though. Moving down to the next shelf is more of the coffee/protein drinks. I don't know if you've ever tried Iconics before, but they are also a very good protein drink. I have one location that requested these, and I go to that location twice a week, and they are sold out every single time. The next two shelves are Snapple teas and Gatorades, the 12-ounce size. I have all kinds of flavors just to keep it fresh for the one location that requested them. Here is another look at the entire section. If you notice that some of the shelves is bowing in the middle, I used to have drinks on these shelves, so it started to do that from being so heavy. I do plan on switching these plastic shelves to the metal ones you're about to see, a little bit at a time. On this top shelf, here are my variety packs that are not available in bigger quantities. Takis are very popular as well. Then all the rest of the shelves are all canned sodas, 0-calorie sodas, energy drinks, cans left over from cases that were about to be empty, Java, Monsters, pretty much you name it, I probably have everything down there. In this little corner are more Gatorade and Snapple, and this is my little cooler that I put my chocolates and sandwiches in. I am in Texas, so it gets hot here, so I place them in this cooler so they don't melt. If I'm taking sandwiches to my locations, I use this cooler as well. I'll link the cooler in the description for you if you're interested. I have to utilize every bit of space here, so in the middle part you'll see more chips. Then right underneath them is my mini fridge. Hey, there's me. Hey. Right below the fridge are my collapsible crates I use to restock my locations. I will link them in the description if you would like them. Let's see what's inside the fridge, shall we? This is where I store all of the sandwiches. There is one kind missing. I have to run to the store and get more, but these are Deli Express. You mostly see these in gas stations, well, in Texas anyways. I also keep my ice packs in here as well, so the chocolate will remain cold while transporting them. This smaller one is stuck. I'll deal with this one later. And look what we have here. More chips. I like to call this the Cheetos shelf. I go through a ton of hot Cheetos, baked hot Cheetos, so I keep extra on hand. I have a location that has 2 to 3 rows of them. It's insane. That's where all my bottled sodas are, bottled waters, sodas that are specialty that I can't get in bulk, water, more Gatorade, and teas. This is my recycle bag for the plastics and smaller boxes. I like to break down and clean as I go. Right next to that is my mobile cart. I have used this to restock my locations. I have had it from the beginning and it hasn't failed me yet. I will also link this in the description for you. My first guardian of the snacks is Squirtle. Not Turtle, Squirtle. You have to know who this is. Let me know in the comments who this character is from. Our second guardian is Devil. Devil is pretty close to Squirtle, but he does move around sometimes. The top shelf is more of the cookies, and underneath that is the healthy stuff. Right below that is more of cookies, more Cheez-Its that I didn't have room for, more cookies, pretzels, more cookies, and then popcorn. The last section at the top is more healthy stuff like granola and peanuts, gummies and stuff. Underneath that is our last guardian, Shadow. He definitely gets bounced around, but he has been chilling here for a minute. That's more crackers, Nutri-Grain bars, grandma's cookies, gums, mints, lifesavers, more candy, honey buns. Honey buns are a big seller in my vending machine. We have noodles. Only have one location that requested noodles, and they sell like hotcakes, little bites, donuts. In this crate are my extras, so if I have a few left in a box, I'll put them here before I open the new box. I also make a note on the actual chip box to check here before I open the new box. And the next crate are my tools, my mechanic tool set, my zip ties. Those light bulbs were from another machine that I changed out. And that last box are my expired chips that I like to take out to the homeless people. In this corner by its lonesome is my laptop desk for my lap in case I need to do work in my recliner chair. I have something to put my iPad or my laptop on. The last part of the stock room is my daily planner board. You have to look at your goals every day. I was too short of this goal, but I will get them in 2024. Here is my recliner. Once I'm finished pre-kitting, I will sit in the chair and relax a bit before heading off to stock my locations. It actually massages too. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested in this. I did get it from Amazon. So yeah, I would show you the closet, but it's a bit messy in there. But it's just credit card readers, extra bill validators, coin mechs, tools, storage, etc. So that is it, guys. That completes the tour of my stock room. If you have any organizing tips or something that could be moved to make it easier for me, let me know in the comments. It's still a work in progress. Don't forget to take advantage of the Nayax end of the year sale. You can save up to 33%, and if you use my promo code bk.vending, you'll get even a better discount on top of that. This sale ends December 31st, 2023. If you found value in this video, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that bell so you'll know when I post new content. Until next time, peace.